What's up, you guys? This is Tyler Strother. Look, I'm coming to y'all, giving y'all some game, some wisdom on how to help this beard grow. Cause look, this brother here, his beard ain't grown since he been in junior high school. It's probably all he had since he was 21. I was rubbing a little stable already there. No, seriously, I was. But what I'm saying to y'all, man, is that I think I found a remedy. It's a homegrown remedy, and we're gonna test it out for the next 2-3 weeks and see what's up with it. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? We back. All right. So first thing is what in the heck am I going to be putting on my face to help my beard grow? Well, I got this product called Gem Matter. Okay, a young lady by the name of Simone Weems. She's actually from my hometown here in Indiana. You know, she made something for beard. She made beard oil, restoration oil if you're losing your hairs, all that good stuff. Man, this is an all natural product. It helps hair growth. So if you don't have this and you trying to get a beard or you trying to get your hair back, yo, look for Gem Matters. Where you can find it at, you can go to your beauty supply stores. She's starting to really branch out. She's doing an excellent job. I'm proud of that young lady. Hit her up on Facebook, Insta. I think she got an Insta. You can also buy the product at Walmart.com. So if you go to Walmart.com, it's probably easier if you don't have it in your stores. All right. So we're gonna be using Gem Matters. But before we do that, some of y'all probably just woke up, something like me. I just got out the shower. My face, oh, baby, you see a couple bumps in there. Zoom out, zoom in. But anyways, look. So we're gonna wash our face real quick. And typically I like to use Ambi. It's a little, y'all really can't see that. I put a box or whatever up there. So y'all can see what I'm using. We use Ambi to wash our face. Normally I typically use the black soap. My wife uses the green soap, and obviously I don't have the black soap. Either I ran out or I just didn't buy none. But I'm using baby soap right now. You know, I appreciate my baby for allowing me to do this and have a little bit of content for y'all to deal with. Next thing you're going to use, you're going to want to use rag. It's a hot rag at that. So start your water and get your hot rag running. Let me show y'all the rag I'm using, okay? I'm just using the typical blue rag, whatever. Get that thing steaming hot, okay? That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do right now. Step number 1, hot rag. And all y'all already know about the hot rag. And kids don't need to know right now. Even though they probably need to use a hot rag on their face when they wake up, got crushed iron boogers all over. So typically what I do is I take a hot rag, let the face, you know, clean up my face, get the eye boogers and everything out. Oh man, I got some of my wife hair on me. Uh-oh. My baby washes clothes, washes the towels and everything. Sometimes they get stuck on there. I don't care. Y'all judge me and my family if you want to. I still gonna love my pretty toe baby. I'm gonna wash my face a little bit. I know it's like gross. I don't care. I don't care. Whatever. We in here. We live. Just wash your face like so, you know. They might have special ways to really, you know, kind of do it or whatever. But wash your face. Take some of that soap that I'm talking about, Ambi. You can find that at your store too. You know, you go to your local drugstore or whatever. You probably find it there. Walmart's. Dollar Tree, Dollar General. What I'm gonna do is after I wet my face, I'm gonna put the rag back underneath the water, hot water, steaming hot water, and start using my soap, right? Y'all hear the water going. Y'all ain't gotta see everything. Y'all know what's up. Alright? You got it there? Alright? You got your stuff. Please note, I am not a esthetician or, you know, a person that works on faces, but, you know, I know the roundabouts, you know what I'm saying? You want to wash that face real good. Get that face, get up under the eyelid, boy. Hallelujah. Get all of them things, you mean? Don't miss nothing. Get that nose up there now. Some of y'all got them little beakers. It's all good. That's what you got. That's what you got. That's what God bless you with. Huh? Get all up in there. Get all up in there. Clean your face. Some of y'all be having all kind of dirt and oil in y'all face. It's homegrown natural. This is natural. You want to put that natural on you real quick. Alright. So, you get done. Next move. Bring out your water. Still hot water. You still use the hot water. We ain't trying to no cold water. But if you're sensitive to the water, do what works best for you. So I'm just doing that because that's just who I am. I like to try to make people smile as much as I can. That's just my style. Plus I'm a Libra. Libra gang, holla at your boy. Alright, and you wash it off, right? Make sure you get it good too. See, now I'm a little different from everybody else. I might not just use my little rag to get it in. I'm gonna stick my whole face in there. Yes, sir. Alright. So, I'm done with this. Next step. Get you a dry towel. I call towels dry towels because you're drying your face, you're drying your hands, you're drying your whatever. So, you want to take something that's dry, kind of just dry your face really good. You know what I mean? My towel might have a little fuzzies on it or whatever. You know, it is what it is. Bye, look at these. Woo-wee. All right. Hey, ladies, I'm off limits. I got a wife. She fine and she pregnant with twins. And she still will pull up on you if you play with her. I'm just joking, y'all. Just joking. Just. Okay. Next step. Pause. Before we go anywhere else, I think we're gonna read the directions to Gym Matter because this is my first time using it. Shout out to baby for just making something homegrown that don't add all the oils and all the extra little stuff that people normally put on their face. I ain't got time for all that. Okay, so we're gonna read the directions, y'all. You probably ain't gonna be able to see it as good as I am, so I'm gonna just read it to you anyways. Okay, it says directions. It says apply directly to face. This mug right here. And gently massage. Use just enough oil to lightly cover the target area. That's probably majority of it right here. Some of this right here, some of that right here. Okay. For best results, use morning or night. So we in the morning right now. I think so. And we're going to put this on. You feel me? All right. And then it tells you the storage. So that's what I like about this, man. It tells you the storage, how you store it. It says store in cool I'm gonna reread that because I missed the word. Store in a cool, dark place and keep away from sunlight for external use only. All right, we're gonna get into this thing, y'all. We're just gonna peel it back. We're gonna make this thing shake. So, I know my babies, I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I be having to shake stuff up. I probably don't even have to do all that, but you know, it's just who I am. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. Presentation is, I want y'all to understand something with me. I'm working on it myself. Presentation is everything. Look, I gotta stand back here a little bit. Maybe y'all can't see that. Presentation is everything. Just look at it. Look. Oh my God. Hallelujah. Look at that. Man, this is how they give you medicine. How you give your kids medicine sometimes. You gotta have, you know what I'm saying, draw it up. 5 mLs, 2.5. Y'all know what I'm talking about if y'all give y'all kids medicine. If you don't, then that's totally up on you. I give my kids medicine. Alright. So I don't really need much. Y'all know, I'm gonna apply it to the area how I feel best. You know. So I might need to turn down that light just a little bit. The lighting is everything too, man. So turn on that lighting a little bit. Get a little bit more. Might be too bright for y'all. Alright. I'm gonna get some right here. That's why I want to grow it thick at. I'm gonna get some right here. That's that homegrown, baby. Yeah. I don't need too much. You know, that's what she say, right? I probably put on a little too much as it is. Yeah. Y'all see that? Look, still natural. That's it. Get real close up there. That's what it looked like. Man, got me wanting to play some of that Justin Timberlake. I can't really play the song for y'all, but I can play the beat. I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. Alright. Hey, y'all. It was fun kicking with y'all today. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to your boy. I got some crazy updates. I got some raffles I'm going to be giving away. I got some giveaways that I'm going to be giving away. Man, this channel is going to get crazier from here on out. And I just want to say thank you. Like and comment, share, all that good stuff. And before I leave with my baby girl name on my head, I just want to say love, peace, hair grease, holla at your boy.